Hi guys, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for watching. Now before we get into the video, you guys know I have to give out my shout outs. So the very first 3 that commented on my last video, and if you guys didn't watch it, make sure you guys do. I'm gonna leave it up in the cards for you guys to check out. So the first one is Dayanara Morales Nail Art, second one is Carla H Elegance, and the third one is The Diary of Michelle Cooper. Once again, thank you guys for your support and always commenting on my videos. If you guys also want a shout out, make sure to be the first 3 to comment on this video. Alright, so about this set that I did the other night, I called it Icy Flamed Nails, and you're going to see why. So first, what you want to start off with is pushing back the cuticle to expose the new growth on the nail. Next, what you want to do is remove the shine from the natural nail bed so you can prevent any lifting. And I use a 180 sanding band at a very low speed with my Melody Susie drill. And next, what you want to do is glue on your nail tips. Make sure that you size them up sidewall to sidewall to make sure that they're not too big and not too small. And of course, then you want to shape your nails to the desired shape that you want, whether that be stiletto, coffin, or square. And before you apply your acrylic, make sure that you use a dehydrator and a bond. I personally use Young Nails Protein Bond. It's awesome. I haven't had any trouble since I've been using it. So as you can see here, I am using clear tips, which I actually do not like these because they curve a lot, but I don't have any other clear tips. Usually the ones that I use are from a cart, but I only have them in natural. So I do need to purchase them in clear. These are my favorite tips, which are the ones from a cart. The ones on this video are not from a cart, they're from a local nail supply. And again, I don't really like them that much because they curve. But like always, we're gonna make it work. So here what I did was just grab a little bit of the clear powder and I dipped it in this glitter that I actually got from my daughter, and it's Jojo Siwa glitter. I mean, sometimes I use their products if I don't have it because they love to play with glitter. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm not gonna do it on the whole nail, apply the glitter. I'm just gonna kind of fade it out. And then after I'm done applying the glitter, I'm gonna go ahead and cap it with clear powder that I'm using from iGel Beauty. And I do believe I only show you guys me capping 2 nails because it's the same process, and I don't really want to make this video long because it doesn't need to be. So once I'm done capping the nails, I am gonna file and shape them off camera. So when I applied the clear powder along with the glitter, I did do very thin layers. There was no need for me to make it thick because I knew I was going to cap them, and that's what I'm going to use to make the thickness of my nail and along with the apex. Since I did mention that I personally don't like curved tips, let me know in the comments down below if you guys prefer straight tip or curved tips, because I really do not like these tips, but they were the only ones I had again. Alright, so now that I'm done capping all the nails, I already filed and shaped them off camera. So this is what we're looking like so far. Next, what I'm going to do is apply the flamed decals that I get from GG Nail Art, which I also have a code for 20% discount. and the code that you can use is Nail Chronicles 8, and you can apply that at checkout time. Just make sure you follow her on Instagram, and the link is in her bio to her Etsy shop. So I am going to leave all the links in the description box below so you guys can check it out. Now, to apply the decals, there isn't much of explanation, I guess you can say. So I'm just basically taking it off the sheet there, and I'm just placing it on the nail. What I do wish I would have done differently is I wish I would have capped them with the clear powder first, instead of just applying them and then just top coating them. So that's something I wish I would have done differently. And so here I'm just going to place the decals on all the nails, and then we're going to move on to applying the top coat. I just think if I would have capped the decals instead of top coating them, I would have gotten a much smoother look. So lesson learned. Now I know that I should have just done what I initially wanted to do at first, but you know, we are here to learn and grow. So now I'm moving on to top coating the nails, and the top coat that I'm using is from Dulce Nail Sprinkles, and this one came in my July nail boxy box, and if you haven't checked out that video, I will leave it in the cards for you guys. So once I apply the top coat and before popping it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds, I do wipe down my sidewalls just to maintain the shape of my nail. And I also apply it under the nail just to get a more clear look. So I did forget to mention, to the ones that are interested, I'm using the Mia Secret monomer and my alpha brush in this size 8, and I use the 80 grit file to shape my nails. And so we're almost at the end of this video. I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I hope you like these nails that I did. This is the final result. I think they look very icy, very what's that princess's name? Elsa. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.